You tap a screen, a tiny blue icon lights up, and instantly your favorite song starts playing in your wireless earbuds. There are no cables, no physical connection whatsoever. We do this every single day, and it feels a little bit like magic. But it's not magic. It's a highly complex, microscopic symphony of invisible waves bouncing through the air around you. Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today, we are putting aside the history books and diving directly into the pure science of our gadgets. How does audio actually travel through thin air? And how does Bluetooth even exist? To understand Bluetooth, you first have to realize that you are currently sitting in an invisible ocean. All around us are electromagnetic waves. Everything from the visible light we see to X-rays to radio waves. Bluetooth relies on radio waves. When you play a song, your phone takes that digital audio, a massive string of ones and zeros, and converts it into low-power radio waves. These specific waves operate on what is called the 2.4 Gigahertz band. This means the radio waves are oscillating or vibrating a staggering 2.4 billion times every single second. Your earbuds contain a tiny antenna that catches these waves, instantly decodes the ones and zeros, and turns them back into the sound of a guitar or a snare drum. But this creates a massive problem. You see, Bluetooth doesn't own the 2.4 gigahertz band. It is actually the Wild West of radio frequencies. Your Wi-Fi router, your neighbor's baby monitor, garage door openers, and even the microwave in your kitchen all use this exact same frequency. Imagine trying to have a quiet, deeply personal conversation with a friend across a table, but you're in the middle of a massive screaming rock concert. The interference should be unbearable. Your earbuds should be picking up the static from your microwave or getting interrupted by your Wi-Fi. So how does your phone make sure your earbuds only hear your music without getting drowned out by the noise? Engineers solved this with a brilliant piece of science called frequency hopping spread spectrum. Instead of shouting on just one channel, Bluetooth slices that 2.4 gigahertz band into 79 tiny radio channels. When your phone connects to your earbuds, they do a secret digital handshake. They agree on a completely randomized pattern to hop between these 79 channels. And they don't just hop once or twice. Your phone and your earbuds change channels 1,600 times every single second. If Wi-Fi or a microwave is blocking channel 14, it doesn't matter, because a fraction of a millisecond later, your music has already hopped to channel 62. It's like two people having a conversation in a crowded room, but they change tables and languages 1,600 times a second. It is perfectly synchronized, virtually unhackable, and completely seamless. So the next time you connect your headphones, take a second to appreciate the science. It's not just a blue button. It's an invisible, perfectly choreographed dance happening billions of times every second, right out of thin air. If you loved learning the science behind the simple things, hit that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe for more surprising histories and science. Thanks for watching.